Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you are fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Primer B. Today our topic is my and your. Do you know students? My and your are possessive words. Yes, these are possessive words because it belongs to or refers to someone. Let's begin today's lesson. The first sentence is, this is my hat. In this sentence, my is a possessive word and it means मेरी. ये मेरी hat है. Next one, that is your hat. In this sentence, your mean तुम्हारा या तुम्हारी. It is also a possessive word. वो तुम्हारी hat है. Another one, this is my car. In this sentence, my is a possessive word. It means मेरा या मेरी. ये मेरी कार है. Next one, that is your car. In this sentence, your means तुम्हारा या तुम्हारी. It is also a possessive word. वो तुम्हारी कार है. Here is another sentence. This is my egg. In this sentence, my is also a possessive word and my means मेरी या मेरा. ये मेरा अंडा है. Last one, that is your egg. In this sentence, your is a possessive word and it means तुम्हारा या तुम्हारी. वो तुम्हारा अंडा है. Okay student, it's our today lesson. Hopefully you have got it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.